So I recently came back from a trip to Miami, and while I'm there, I always take advantage of going to the IKEA since we don't have one here in Nashville. I always try to behave myself because since we don't have an IKEA, I always want to buy everything, but I try to control myself because then I'm just impulsively buying if I'm just buying whatever just because I think that I might want them later on. So I try to only get pieces that either I've looked at ahead of time or that I've been wanting for a while or need to pick up. And I picked up a couple of cute pieces, so I wanted to share them with you. So let's get straight into the haul. I first saw this little crock and I thought it was so cute. I think this might be the perfect size for my utensils. I have to have like a very specific size for our kitchen because our cabinets are pretty low. So I think I might put my utensils in here, but otherwise it would be super cute as a pot as well. I love the little handles, and again, I love that kind of like vintage look that it has, but vintage crocks are so expensive and I haven't ever had luck finding them at the thrift store. So this is a good alternative if you've also been looking for something more kind of like vintage inspired but haven't had any luck finding any at an affordable price point. And I also found this other little container. It's such a cute little storage container. I don't know yet where I want to put it. I might put it in my coffee station because I just think it would be so perfect. You could put some tea bags in here. You could use it in your bathroom for some bathroom storage as well. This is just such a cute and simple design. Y'all know I love antique styles, but I also love a modern shape, so I just thought that this was so cute. It's very similar in the design and shape to the lamp that I have from IKEA, so just the little ball at the top is different. So I just thought it would be perfect as a really cute piece for additional storage. And speaking of cute additional storage, the last time I went to IKEA, I actually picked up some of these baskets and I used them for my little coffee station. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. But I just love these so much from that coffee station makeover that I'm like, I need to pick up some more. They're just so convenient. I love the size of them. It's perfect for storing little trinkets and stuff. So I got some more for my bathroom because everything is in chaos over there. So I definitely needed some additional baskets for that. And I also love them because if you do have them on a shelf somewhere, they're see-through, so you can see what's inside of the baskets without having to like pull them all out. So yeah, they have these two sizes, and of course some additional storage pieces. I love a good piece that is both aesthetic and can provide additional storage space. Especially in our small apartment, we need as much storage as possible. So I found these little seagrass baskets. I've had my eye on them for a while, but I had thrifted some in the past, so I was like, I know I can find some. It's been like years at this point and I haven't been able to find some, so I was like, I'm just gonna get them. So it's a set of two seagrass baskets. So this is the bigger size and this is the smaller size. So the smaller one fits inside of the other one. Not significantly smaller, it's almost about the same size, but it's perfect again for storing any little trinkets you might have. Now, a couple of non-storage decor pieces. I don't love all of the throws at IKEA. I'm very particular about my throws because I like very soft ones. So I only have one throw from IKEA and I absolutely love it. It's so soft. I always have it draped on my couch or on our chair. But I saw this one and I'm like, okay, she's cute. She's not like the softest thing in the world, but I just loved this pattern. I love these little like checkered pieces. It's not really checkered, but it's kind of like woven, so it looks kind of checkered. The colors are really pretty ivory, and while it's not the softest, I think it would make for a great just like throw blanket. And especially in the summertime when we don't really use blankets because it's a lot warmer, this would be perfect if you just want to snuggle up with something but it's not really warm because it's very, very thin. So I thought this would be perfect, especially for the summertime. They also had it in a really bright green color if you're looking to add a pop of color to your space, but I just love this ivory one, so I got this one. I've also been trying to downsize my pillow collection. So now that I've kind of figured out my style, I have almost like a formula of how many pillows I like on my couch, how many pillows I use on our bed, how many pillows I use on our other couch in the office. So I don't need to have all of these pillows. I can just keep like one set and then just swap out the pillow covers. So that's what I've been trying to do. I have these huge pillows that I got on Facebook Marketplace a couple years ago, and they take up so much space and I cannot remove the covers. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get rid of these because they take up just way too much storage space, and instead I'm just gonna replace them with these little covers. So it's almost the exact same color as a blanket that we have, so I thought it would be a perfect match. And this is for a 20 by 20 pillow, but I think they also have a larger size pillow cover, so if you do have a bigger pillow, you could also buy buy a cover for that. I got 2 of these and I'm super excited to use them next winter. And by now y'all probably know, I've mentioned it a couple of times, that my goal for the spring and summer is to have a lot more plants in our home. So I've been collecting little pots that I can use for our new plant, and I found this one in the garden section and I thought it was so cute. It's a little bit of an orangey color, which I'm normally like not a huge fan of, but I think it would be so cute for a little plant, so I had to pick one up. I've also slowly been picking up pieces for a little office makeover. If you saw in my Instagram stories not too long ago, I posted a picture of like my makeshift desk and it was literally just like a folding table that we have with a tablecloth on top. In the last couple of years, I've obviously been using my computer a lot since I edit so many videos, so I think it's finally time to invest in an actual desk. So I'm working on a little bit of an office makeover. So we have some really like dark curtains in that room right now, so I got some white ones that are really like thin material because I wanted it to feel kind of like airy and breezy, and I got them in white because our walls are like a greigey color in that room, so hopefully this will contrast nicely. In the future, maybe I'll like switch it out and maybe do like a pattern or something, but right now I just wanted to see if like the contrast looks good. And I'm also planning to maybe get a darker desk, so I hope that this will help it like pop out a little bit. But I love IKEA curtains. I think all of the curtains in our home are from IKEA. They're just really affordable and they come in a lot of size options. The ones in our living room are actually also IKEA, but I don't think that they make them anymore. They have very similar ones still in stock, but the specific one that we have, they don't sell it anymore. But this one that will be in our office is the Silverlund. I don't know, I don't speak Swedish. So I'm really excited to put these up. And then also for our office, I just got these little cable organizers. We desperately need some cable management, so I figured that this would be very handy to kind of separate some of the cables out. And they do have black ones and white ones. I just got the white ones because I figured that they would blend in with our molding a little bit better, so hopefully they're like not as visible. And of course, it wouldn't be one of my haul videos if I didn't have some kitchen items. So I got this cute little mug. I normally get like 2 of each mug, but I was like, I don't really need it, I just kind of want it because it's cute, so I decided to just get one for myself. And if I ever change my mind, I'll like have my mom send me another one for my husband, but I just thought that this was so cute. I love the kind of vintage style and the shape of the handles, so I just thought it would be so cute. These were in like the last chance section. I don't know why, because they're absolutely gorgeous, but I got these wine corks. They're a set of 2 and I just think that they're so cute, so pretty, and obviously extremely useful. We only have one like bottle topper and it's a Christmas themed one, so I figured we should have some that we can use throughout the year. I think from the same collection, the last time I went to IKEA, I actually picked up the ones that have the little spout for like oil containers or vinegar or things like that, but I didn't see these bottle toppers, so I had to pick these up. They're so pretty. And now that the warmer weather is coming, I also got some trays to make some ice cubes. First of all, these colors are so pretty, so aesthetic. We do have an ice maker built into our fridge, but I wanted to make some cute ice cubes for us for the summertime. Maybe use like some fruits, or I've also seen some really cute ones with like florals in them, so I'm planning to use these to make some cute ice cubes for our drinks. Some more kitchen towels. I recently just got some blue and beigey ones for our coffee station, and then I found these black and beige ones and I just thought they were so cute. Kitchen towels are always so useful to have. They always come in handy because you're always cleaning, so I got some of these so that we can swap out the blue ones and the black ones whenever we need them. And the last little piece I got was actually a stool. So if you don't know, I'm extremely short. I'm 5'1", so I always need additional help to get to like the higher spots in our kitchen or in our closets or whatever. So I saw this stool at IKEA and I thought it was so cute. I thought it would be pretty enough to leave out, so that way I don't have to be like putting it away and taking it out as I need it. I do think I'm going to stain the steps. Right now it's like a birch color, it's very light, but we don't really have any light wood in our kitchen area, so I think I will stain the steps so that they're a little bit darker and blend in a little bit more in our kitchen. But I just love the design. It's a little bit more of like a modern abstract shape with the wiggly sides, so I thought it would be really cute to put in our kitchen. But that is everything that I got at IKEA. A lot of functional but still pretty pieces. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, where I'll be sharing how I use some of these pieces, and I will see you all very soon in another video. Bye!